Hey guys, it's Glen Murray. How are you? I'm here to talk about CBSitePro. I love these programs, guys. I own lots of them. I have lots of websites. I have lots of these types of programs. And we're going to get into what they are. And I've got a really cool way for you to actually get this, make commissions on ClickBank, plus get your money back by actually becoming an affiliate and reselling CB Site Pro. How cool is that? So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the product, what it looks like, the pages look like. I'm going to show you what my bonuses are. I'm actually going to show you how I'm going to give you a bonus page that you can use with the bonuses. So actually, guys, you're able to get the bonuses, use the bonus page, and then you're going to be part of my team where I'll give you bonus pages for anything you want that I'm going to be promoting. I'll just give you the bonus pages that I'm creating. So I do the work. I make the bonus pages. I put all the stuff in there to give away and everything. And then all you do is just copy it into your account and boom, you have a bonus page and you can go make videos. You can go make Facebook posts. Maybe you're killing on TikTok. Maybe you're doing it on Instagram. Maybe you're just getting started. You're like, Glenn, what are you talking about? Anyways, this is CBSite Pro review, but it's also a special bonus and just basically what it is that you're going to be getting. So I'm going to show you, jump over, change scenes. Okay, so this is what my bonus page looks like, guys. Okay, so this is the bonus page first off. So basically CBSite Pro bonus page. This is what you guys will have. You guys will have this. If you want me to make you a little logo, I can make you a little logo, whatever you need. Just let me know, message me. You'll have my Skype information. You'll be on my Facebook group. When you purchase through my personal link, you get these extra bonuses. So you're going to be able to give away the cheetah method. You're going to be able to give away the rebrander. And people keep asking me, what is this rebrander? Guys, it's so powerful. So cheetah method is actually a PDF, but it's not just a PDF on how to do an online business. It's actually full of affiliate links. And when someone buys cheetah method, like the whole thing, they're able to put their affiliate links into the PDF and then give that PDF away. It's so powerful. It's one of the most powerful tools there is out there. So it's an incredibly powerful tool. Now, and the rebranding is where it's all at because it's all high ticket stuff in there, guys. It's high ticket programs. Okay, plus you get my killer super swipes. So when you're building your list, which you need to be doing, you're going to have tons of all these emails that I think there's 60 different swipes in there, but you can combine them and make hundreds or if not even thousands of different swipes. To be honest, guys, I send probably the same 25 swipes and I kind of mix them up. I just have 25 swipes that I just kind of rotate through to my list and I just mix up the words in there so that they come out unique. You're also going to get this bonus page in here is just a place setter because affiliate marketing on a shoestring. If you don't have that, guys, go get it. Message me for the link. You need that. It shows you exactly how to get set up with thing. But anyways, the exact bonus page you're getting is this one, the CBSite Pro. Okay, so I'll replace that image in there. Plus, you're going to get my 10K a month free training course, which shows you exactly how to do online business, and you're also going to be able to give it away and make money. And I can show you how to make sure that you put your link in here to give it away, not my link. So it's very, very cool. Very, very cool, guys. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Now we're going to go over here. I'll show you. So the site this is the sales page. So become a top seller on one of the oldest and most popular affiliate marketing networks without lifting finger. Guys, I make money on ClickBank every single day. I get, because I have I have stuff on Twitter. I've got stuff on Facebook. I've got stuff on Instagram. And all it does is drive traffic to my little, to my ClickBank, the stuff that I promote on ClickBank. I can show you what to promote. It's really cool. Okay, so one-click app. And my pages are always selling because I have pages just like what this makes. One-click app auto creates a self-updating ClickBank review site, auto-loaded with top converting ClickBank offers, and it's just click of a button, boom. And what's cool is you can do it both, use their hosting, or you can put it on your own WordPress site. So you have the option of doing that. So this is what it's like being hosted on their site. So hang on. This is hosted on their site. This is what it looks like. So you can see health and fitness, Hop Talk. So all these guys, like all of this stuff, right? when you go on here, now let me just make a caveat at the top here. If you do the Fiverr upgrade and the Udemy upgrade, which you can get, like it's a no-brainer to get them, then you can have Fiverr gigs and you can get paid for referring Fiverr gigs. It's very, very cool. It's also really, really, really good for SEO. So this is what the sites look like, guys, and you can do this. But what's cool is every single one of these products has your affiliate link in it. So if someone goes old school new body, they click on here, right? They go over and read it. Old school new body. Boom, 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 boom. Introduction. It's a review. I go down. Conclusion. That's a really good review. Click here for more. Watch. It takes it there. Now this is the sales page, guys. It just took you to the sales page, and it opens in a new window. So your site is still here. You've got banner ads in here. You've got related products. So this is just complete pro, guys. This is exactly what I want. Now, if you want to host it yourself, if you have a WordPress site, you could have one WordPress site, and then if you know anything about subdomains, you could actually do the subdomain. So again, this is the WordPress one, right? So this is created on WordPress. Same thing. Let's see, Yoga Burn. I'm gonna go look at Yoga Burn. It's a different layout because it's a WordPress site, right? So you could use either one, use theirs or use WordPress, whatever you want. Where's Yoga Burn? Click on here, Yoga Burn, scroll down. They reading this. Yep, I like it. Click here for more. And now you're on, see how it says Hop Soft String? That's because the creators that I'm showing you the demo thing, this is their affiliate link. So if someone then buys this right here, they buy this product, guess what? You get a commission. It's so awesome. Okay, so that's how that works. What else do I need? So you've got the two choices there. Now the bonuses, I've already showed you some bonuses. There's some more bonuses in the JV doc. This is the bonus thing, so you can get. They're going to be giving more auto content machine, which if you have a WordPress site, this is perfect. You get start creating content. So you would have blog stuff that's already talking about the stuff. They go to the site, boom, they see an ad and they get the ad. Shopify plugin, site analyzer, SEO tool, WordPress builder. And this is for people that are they're already doing WordPress. That's why these bonuses are really great. You got my bonuses, all that good stuff. So let me jump back on here. Wow. All right, guys. So that is what CBSitePro is all about. Now, if you want to get this, click the link below, go through my bonus page and grab CBSitePro. What's going to happen, you'll get that, and then in the back office, you will have the delivery. That delivery page that I showed you will be accessible for you. So you get cheetah method, which is what you want. You get the bonus page is what you really want to use. And then you'll be part of my team, right? So you'll be in my Facebook group and you'll be able to get these bonus pages like I make them. So I'm going to do up another bonus page later this afternoon, and tomorrow I'll finish it. And that one will be, I think what I'm doing it for is the new Glen product that's coming out. So then you guys would have access to that. You just say, hey, Glenn, have you got the bonus page for Glen's new product? And then I can show you how to get approved. So when you go into Warrior Plus, instead of just going, hey, can I get approved? You can say, hey, I'm a student of Glen Murray's. Can I please get approved for your product to promote using his bonus pages, right? Like that's what you're going to be able to use. And then boom, you plug it in, here, let's go back and I'll show you. So go back here. I'll show you in my back office here exactly how easy it is to add your link. So you're in here, you hit edit. This is so easy, guys. It's so simple. So simple. So this button opens up the pop-up. You go up here and you click on show pop-up. This link right here, and it goes on click order form. Remember though, this is all set up for you. All you need to do is change out your Warrior Plus link right there. And then this becomes your bonus page, guys. Easy peasy. It's your bonus page. And then you get to give away all this stuff. It's so cool. All right. So let me get back here. There we go. All right, so that's it, guys. CBSitePro review walkthrough bonus page. Highly recommend this product, guys. These are the easy products to use, make money every. This is pure passive income. Because think about every day you get up, you go onto your CBSite Pro, which has thousands of products on it. You pick a product and you go tweet it. Go, hey, check out my review of XYZ, and you just throw it onto Twitter, right? Boom, people go on there, they go to the review site. You can have it so you can collect an email so it pops up. Now, a trick that I always use is that I create a bonus. So again, you guys have these bonuses to give away. In Warrior Plus, there's a place for you to put a bonus link. Well, I use my autoresponder and I get people to opt in before they go to the bonus page. So that's another way to get, that way you're getting buyers on your list. That's a whole other video. If you want to see that, comment below, say, Glenn, how do you do that sneaky thing? And actually, if you get affiliate marketing on a shoestring, it kind of shows you how to do that right there. All right, guys, that's it. Go get CBSite Pro. Click the link below. Go through, get my bonuses, get my bonus pages to use, become part of my team. Now, just so you know, I'm going to start charging a small membership fee for making these bonuses. But if you get grandfathered in, you're going to be able to get them for free for as long as I make them. And I'm not going away anywhere soon. So you're going to be getting a lot of them. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. My name's Glen Murray, and I hope you have enjoyed. Oh, by the way, make sure you subscribe. I keep forgetting that. All right, cheers, guys. Bye.